Got an idea stuck in your head? Sketches, notes, screenshots, it's all there, but it's not working yet. Buzzy helps you turn ideas into real working apps, right from your designs, no dev team required. Build with data, workflows, and real interactivity, live. Skip the static mockups. Test, share, and iterate instantly. You're just clicks away from going from napkin sketch to working MVP. Ready to launch your idea? Start here. Build what's in your head today. From idea to working app, fast.